Welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance hatchbacks with the 2025 Cupra Leon. This beast blends power, style, and technology into one thrilling package. If you're a fan of hot hatches, this one is going to impress you. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Cupra Leon maintains its aggressive stance but gets a sharper, more aerodynamic look. The bold front grille features the signature Cupra logo, flanked by sleek, angular LED headlights. A reworked bumper with larger air intakes enhances cooling while giving it a more muscular presence. Moving to the side, you'll notice the sculpted lines and sporty 19-inch alloy wheels, adding to the dynamic look. At the rear, the signature full-width LED taillight bar returns, along with a reworked diffuser and quad exhaust setup, emphasizing its sporty DNA. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Cupra Leon offers multiple powertrain options, starting with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. The standard model pushes out 300 horsepower, while the high-performance VZ variant cranks it up to an impressive 333 horsepower. This power is channeled through a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, delivering lightning-fast shifts and seamless acceleration. For the first time, Cupra introduces an optional all-wheel drive system, enhancing grip and stability, especially during spirited driving. The 0 to 60 mph sprint is expected to be around 4.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest hatchbacks in its segment. For those looking for an electrified option, the plug-in hybrid variant features a 1.5-liter turbo engine combined with an electric motor. Together, they produce around 272 horsepower while offering an electric-only range of about 60 miles, making it a great choice for daily driving with lower emissions. Inside, the Cupra Leon embraces a high-tech, driver-focused cabin. The 10.25-inch digital cockpit is fully customizable, providing real-time performance data. The 12-inch infotainment touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with an upgraded voice assistant for hands-free control. A redesigned center console with haptic touch controls and a floating gear selector adds to the futuristic appeal. The steering wheel now features a dedicated Cupra Mode button, allowing instant access to the most aggressive driving settings. When it comes to comfort, the sport bucket seats are wrapped in premium Alcantara or leather, providing both support and luxury. Ambient lighting with customizable color options enhances the cabin experience, making night drives even more immersive. Safety and technology are key highlights of the 2025 Cupra Leon. It comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. A new AI-driven predictive safety system can analyze road conditions and adjust settings in real time, ensuring maximum protection. The driving dynamics have also been refined. The updated adaptive chassis control system allows drivers to choose between comfort, sport, and Cupra modes, adjusting the suspension, throttle response, and steering feel. The electronic limited slip differential enhances cornering performance, making it more engaging to drive. Pricing for the 2025 Cupra Leon is expected to start around $40,000 for the base model, with the high-performance variants reaching up to $50,000. The plug-in hybrid version will likely fall in between, making it a solid choice for eco-conscious buyers. Overall, the 2025 Cupra Leon is a game-changer in the hot hatch segment. It delivers blistering performance, cutting-edge technology, and a striking design, making it a true competitor against rivals like the VW Golf R and Honda Civic Type R. Whether you're looking for an adrenaline-fueled driving experience or a stylish daily driver, this car offers the best of both worlds. What do you think about the 2025 Cupra Leon? Would you go for the turbocharged petrol version or the hybrid model? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest automotive news. Stay tuned for more exciting content.